फुल थर्सडे का वीडियो। सबसे पहले सोशल मीडिया, लोगों ने फाइनली खाना बनाना सीख लिया है। अब हमें पता चल गया है सबके इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज देख देख कर कि फाइनली यू गाइस विल लर्न टू कुक। सो बट ये लॉकडाउन है, पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, it's not a competition going around, it's not a rat race. If you are not learning new things in this long time, it's okay, it's completely fine, it's okay. If you don't know how to cook, it's okay. If you didn't learn painting, it's okay. अगर आप पतले नहीं हुए, it's okay. आप मोटे भी हो गए, it's okay. It doesn't matter. What matter is to be safe. It's not a competition, guys. Please don't make this pandemic a competition. There are also people who are not sharing anything like this on their stories, and I know personally few of them. I mean, मेरे friends हैं who have actually called up and said कि यार मैंने तो 3 महीने में कुछ सीखा ही नहीं, ना तो मुझे खाना बनाना आता है, neither I know how to paint, nor I know how to write, I don't know to do photography. मैंने कुछ सीखा नहीं, मेरा पूरा टाइम वेस्ट हो गया है। Guys, you are not wasting your time, trust me. ये जो लॉकडाउन है, it's not a rat race, it's not a competition. ये भगवान ने हमें इसलिए टाइम नहीं दिया है कि हम कुछ नई चीज़ें सीखें और compete करें आपस में लोगों के साथ. It's not that, it's a pandemic, it's a crisis going around the world. Please try to understand. And there are a few people on social media who are trying to provoke each other. यार तुमने कुछ नहीं किया, see I have learned to make a chocolava, or I have learned how to make a bread, so I'm nominating these 4 people. So it becomes a little mandatory for those 4 people, because on social media you are also liable कि यार अगर किसी ने आपको nominate किया है, so sometimes people get bound to do that. Please don't do that, because there are people मैं जानती हूँ who are actually fed about this and they consider that they have wasted these last 2 months, but they haven't. So don't make it a competition. Let it be. Everybody is dealing with these things in their own way. And जो लोग share करें, it's their way of coming out of this pandemic and this crisis and to get along with the time going around. Second cheese, which I really wanted to talk about, that this is the first time when each one of us are getting so much of time. Abhi everybody uses the word self-love, self-care. So be thankful to God that you have get this time, you are getting this opportunity, आपका self-love, self-care का. So use this, find yourself. जब ये सब कुछ खत्म होगा, people will start going back to their offices, their work, रोड पे वापस से ट्रैफिक होगा, सब कुछ वैसे ही होगा. But what new can we do? The only thing that we can do is to be a better version of ourselves. इस लॉकडाउन में, लॉकडाउन 4 is about to come. कहीं पे restrictions बढ़ेंगे, कहीं पे restrictions कम होंगे, कहीं पे restrictions हटा दिए जाएंगे. So try to develop a better new self and thank God each and every moment that you are getting a new day to live. Give a little thought कि why don't we rediscover ourselves? Why don't we find something जो we can give out to the society, give out to the nature, and try to be calm and more peaceful, because in the end it's us who are going to live. को रीडिस्कवर करो, कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करो दुनिया को फ्रॉम योर साइड. लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होता है तो ट्राई टू बी अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड रिस्पेक्ट ईच अदर, स्प्रेड लव, स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस एंड बी पीसफुल.